Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to deactivate account on Pinterest. Maybe you have decided to take a break from Pinterest as you no longer find it useful. So today I'm going to show you how to deactivate account on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to our profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here you should select this settings option. On this window, tap on this account management option. Here, since you wanted to deactivate your account, simply tap on this deactivate account option. In this window, it says that once you deactivate your account, no one will see your pins and profile anymore. Simply tap on this continue button to proceed. After that, you now have successfully deactivated your Pinterest account. Take note that your account will be deactivated but not permanently deleted. If you change your mind and want to reactivate your account, you can simply log back in and your account will be fully restored. There you go. If you wanted to know how to deactivate account on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to deactivate account on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.